Here we have a preferred packaging, our PP-5600 automated shrink wrapping system. This unit is powered off 220 volts. All the details and specifications can be found on our website. It's loaded with conveyor to the side. Packaging is loaded on into the auto adjusting conveyor. Products go through into the knife L-bar sealer, automatically into the heat tunnel. We'll demonstrate it operating. For any questions or inquiries, you can contact our sales department. First package coming out. See the bags come out, shrink wrap, seal. Again, here we have the preferred packaging, model PP-5600, available at boggsequipment.com.